Hey guys, it's Parrot Jack here, and I'm here to tell you about a new product called Derma Jam, which I find is very useful as an animal handler and parrot handler, where I get big cuts and scratches on my arms that I don't want to show up on camera. So I put Derma Jam right on the wound, and it helps it hide during the healing process in a very safe and effective manner. So today we're going to show you how to place Derma Jam on the wound so that you know how to use Derma Jam Wound Concealer. So Derma Jam has got the 5 colors. You've got peach and bisque and honey, cocoa, and chocolate. And I've put it on my arm here, and you can see there's the peach, and to the right is the bisque. And you notice the bisque is the one that probably blends in the most with my arm. And next to it is honey, which is mostly golden undertones. I would say primarily Asian skin. Next is a darker brown for actual brown skin, and then black skin. Now here's the thing with Derma Jam is that you can blend 2 colors together. For example, the brown could be blended together with the black to get different shades of black or brown skin, and same thing with any of the others such as the bisque and the peach and the honey. So it does pay to have more than one bottle or can, of Derma Jam so that you can get exactly what you need. Derma Jam comes in a pretty convenient package, a small tin, and this product is just about solid. It has a slight creamy texture, but it's very solid. So you put a little bit on your finger. We're going to apply it to a cut right now. Put a little tiny bit on your finger. Make sure you've washed your hands thoroughly before and dried them, not too that much, and go ahead and put it right on the wound. So in this case, I had the wound on the hand. What I did is I go up to the actual scratch or the wound, whatever the puncture, and I tap it right into the wound, not into the rest of the skin, just the wound itself. Now we know some of it gets on the skin around there, so all you need to do is take a tissue after you put it on and wipe the excess off a little bit. This way it's not going to get on your clothes, but it's going to adhere to the wound itself and camouflage the wound. Here you can see the wound on my hand caused by a parrot, and it not only does it hurt, but it's a little bit deep in one spot. And here is the same area of the same hand, and I've applied Derma Jam to it, and as you can see, you cannot see the wound anymore. Here's a look at the same spot about 8 days later, and you can see that you can't see anything at all, and there's no Derma Jam on it or anything. It's all clear.